Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Active duty members are eligible for VA loans, but there is always a question in everyone's mind regarding reservists. Are reservists also eligible for a VA loan or not? So, in today's video we will discuss this topic in detail. Everyone knows that active duty members qualify for a VA loan, but there is a lot of confusion about reservists. Since reservists serve when needed, but the VA loan requires a minimum of 90 days of active duty service, the big question is, can reservists get a VA loan or not? And if they can, what are the eligibility criteria? How many points does a reservist need to qualify for a VA loan? How many years of service must they complete to be eligible? We will discuss all these aspects in detail. So, let's get started. Let's go through the requirements one by one using a website as a reference, which explains the qualifications reservists need to meet for a VA loan. The website is called Cabbage Loan Guide. It features many articles related to banking and lending. One of them is titled Can a Reservist Get a VA Loan? Guide for Military Members. This article was last updated on January 31st, 2025. It includes a brief description of what a VA loan is and how it works. Then, it explains who reservists are and whether they can qualify for a VA loan. If you want to read all these details, you'll find the article link in the description. Once it's confirmed that reservists can apply for a VA loan, we need to understand their eligibility criteria step by step. First, let's talk about points. The website explains that to qualify for a VA loan as a reservist, you generally need to have earned enough retirement points equivalent to 6 good years. A good year means you have at least 50 retirement points in that year. So, in total, you would need 300 retirement points to meet this requirement. Keep in mind that this does not include any points from active duty or orders that are covered under new laws. Next, when we scroll further, we find details about active duty service. If you were activated for federal service, you need to have served on active duty for at least 90 days. The length of your active service can affect your eligibility. Scrolling down further, we find information about the Certificate of Eligibility, COE. To qualify for a VA loan as a reservist, you must obtain a Certificate of Eligibility, COE, from the Department of Veterans Affairs. You can apply for a COE online, through a VA-approved lender, or by mail. You will also need to provide documentation of your military service, income, and credit history. Now this confirms that reservists are also eligible to apply for a VA loan. If a reservist meets all the VA loan eligibility criteria, they can easily get approved for a VA loan. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.